Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a fantasy flower. This is not a botanically correct flower, so anything goes. You will need a forming surface for the petals, a rolling pin, gum paste in any color, a needle nose pliers, petal cutter and a veiner, a dry brush or a sharp modeling tool, water, stamen heads, floral wire in gauge 24 and 18, cornstarch and a grooved board. First we will make the center of the flower. Take your gauge 18 wire and form a hook and then bend it sideways. Roll up some gum paste into a flattened ball. Put your wire hook in a little water and push it into the gum paste and turn. Pinch the gum paste to secure the wire. Take your dry brush or a sharp modeling tool and create a rough texture on the ball. Put the stamen heads in a little water and stick them into the gum paste ball. You can put as many stamens as you like. Let the flower center dry for at least 24 hours. For the petals, roll your preconditioned gum paste into a log and place it on the grooved board. If it gets too sticky, brush some cornstarch on it. Use your petal cutter and cut 5 petals. This being a fantasy flower, you can use any petal cutter and a veiner and cut as many petals as you like. I cut 5 petals, wired and veined them, then placed them on an apple tray to form and dry. If you have a forming tray, use it. Let the petals dry for at least 24 hours. The petals are completely dry and ready for assembling. Bend the wire slightly and support the petal while doing so, otherwise it will break. Wrap floral tape on the dried flower center and place the petals overlapping each other. You can use 5 petals like I did, or go for 6. Play around with the petals to get the desired result. This flower can be used as is or as part of a bouquet. Thank you for watching.